Exercise 8.1 question number 1. In triangle ABC right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. So in this question, first of all we will draw a triangle ABC right angled at B as shown in this figure. AB is given 24 centimeter, side AB of right triangle ABC right angled at B is given 24 centimeter. BC is given 7 centimeter. Angle A and angle C in this right triangle, which is right angled at B, are acute angles, and we have to write trigonometric ratios for acute angle A and acute angle C. Particularly we have to find sine of angle A, cos of angle A, sine of angle C and cos of angle C. So first of all, let us find the length of the hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC right angled at B. So using Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle ABC, we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and this implies AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. Put the values of AB and BC, like AB square is 24 square plus BC square is 7 square. This is equal to under root 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49, and this is equal to under root 625. Square root of 625 is 25. So length of AC 25 centimeter. Now we can write sine of angle A, cos of angle A. We are considering here acute angle A, and for this acute angle A, opposite side BC will be treated as perpendicular, and side AB adjacent to angle A will be treated as base of this right angle triangle. So now we can write sine A. Sine of angle A is defined as perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sine A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is equal to BC by AC, and this is equal to 7 by 25. This is sine A. Cos of angle A is defined as base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. For acute angle A, opposite side BC is perpendicular and adjacent side AB is base. This you have to remember. And cos is defined as base by hypotenuse, which is AB by AC. AB is already given 24 centimeter and AC we have determined 25 centimeter. So 24 by 25, this is cos of angle A. In second part we have to find sine of acute angle C. For this acute angle C, opposite side AB is going to be treated as perpendicular and adjacent side BC is going to be treated as base of the triangle. So this perpendicular and base we consider with respect to the considered acute angle for which we write trigonometric ratios. So that's why for acute angle C, AB is taken perpendicular and adjacent side BC is taken base. So sine is defined as perpendicular by base, perpendicular by hypotenuse P by H. So perpendicular for acute angle C is AB and hypotenuse is AC as usual. So 24 by 25. Cos of angle C, cos is defined base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. Base for acute angle C is BC, so BC by hypotenuse AC is equal to 7 by 25, and this way this question is done. Now question number 2. In the given figure, find tan P minus cot R. Here this figure is given. In this figure, PQR is a triangle right angled at Q. PQ is 12 centimeter. Hypotenuse PR is equal to 13 centimeter. We have to find tan P minus cot R. So first of all, let us find the value of, the length of QR of triangle PQR. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write QR is equal to under root PR square minus PQ square. This is equal to under root 13 square minus 12 square. This is equal to under root 25. So square root of 25 is 5. So QR is 5 centimeter. Now let us take this acute angle P and find tan P. For this acute angle P, opposite side QR is perpendicular and adjacent side PQ is base of triangle PQR. So tan P is equal to perpendicular by base QR by PQ, which is equal to 5 by 12, and cot of acute angle R. Now for this acute angle R, opposite side PQ is perpendicular and adjacent side QR is base of the triangle. So cot is defined base by perpendicular. So cot R will be QR by PQ, and this is 5 by 12. So therefore tan of angle P minus cot of angle R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 equal to 0. So tan P minus cot R is equal to 0, and this is the answer of this question.